nice. More rain to start off the day. I got a Nuys delivery. I got some more Nuys hazmat deliveries. Looks like the rest are going to the same place. Nuys. 2 drops, 1 city. Let's go do it pre-trip. Tires are good. I usually just use my hand. You could hear the difference. No need to use the helmet. This is awesome. This got preloaded last night, so just gotta make sure everything is good, secured, ready to roll out. Get out of here, start our day. Love it when cars are so impatient. I gotta make sure I stop at the tracks because I got some hazmat on me.
Turn right at the traffic light.
Stop. One time, me and this other truck were passing those railroad tracks, and for some reason he was driving really slow, and those sticks came down, the rails for the train, and they came down on top of his trailer, and he was carrying it was a tanker, the air gas tankers, and it got caught between this tractor and the trailer. Luckily, I don't know, I guess that was a false alarm, they went back up. The rails went back up, and he was good to go. But that would have been a shitty situation to get caught up in between that. Gotta stop again.
Turn left on Saragossa Street.
Should be a fun day. Alright. I think it's gonna be somewhere in here. Yeah, Ritz flooring, there it is.
Arriving at 1501 Oxnard Street on the left.
Gonna have to get off and go check in and see what's up. Alright, this is gonna be fun. I have to back into this driveway right here. Man. This traffic never fucking stops. Don't be sneaking up on my right. There's a shit we gotta deal with. Well, that was fucking rough. Excuse my language. Thank God I didn't hit anything. Woo! That was a little bit of an adrenaline rush. We're back for sure, dude. These are the situations that you get into under pressure that can cause you to have an accident, you know, whether it be you or just traffic that won't stop. They see you backing in, you have your emergency lights, and then they don't want to stop, you know, they don't want to wait, they just want to keep on going, and you're over here focusing, turning, trying not to hit anything, and then all of a sudden someone runs into you because you're swinging around. But yeah, I guess that's all part of the job, right? Those 11 pallets were super heavy. 22,000 pounds, 22,360 on 11 pallets. Had to pull them back to the end of the trailer so they could get them off with the pallet jack. I mean, I pulled him back with the pallet jack so they could get him off with the forklift. Guys, please, if you ever see a truck backing into a driveway with his flashers, you know, and people are stopped, don't go around the cars because you're in a hurry. It's only going to be a couple seconds or a couple minutes if it's a bad driver. Just give the driver his space, man. Don't be rushing. At the end of the day, all this shit that we haul is for you guys. It's not like we're hauling it for ourselves. But yeah, let's hit the road. This next delivery that I have, I also have to back in from the street, but the street's not as busy as that other one. That other one sucked. Besides that, the driveway was super narrow. What are we gonna do? Don't be scared. Oh, then stop. At my next drop off. So this is where I have to back in right here. This driveway is not as hard as the other one. This is super wide. There's no traffic right now, so let's do this right now. Thank you for waiting. I gotta go open my door. Do you ever wonder what's in your cologne and perfume? Yeah, it's chemicals, alright. Alright, this is hard with one hand, but I'm glad I've been hitting the gym because taking out those 11 pallets, 20-something thousand pounds, and then each one of these is 400 pounds each barrel. So, yeah. This is the fun part right here. And it's still raining. 2 more to go. 2 more. Yeah, so I asked the guy what they use all those chemicals for, and he said they make perfumes, incense, and a bunch of other stuff. So if you burn incense at your house, you're burning all those chemicals, unfortunately. So think about it next time you buy incense. I have to pull up a little bit, close my doors, take the hazmat placards off, and then call my dispatch, see where our next pickup or our pickup's gonna be, because we just had deliveries right now. So yeah.